Mic check. Yo, Teddy, how you doing, man? Popped in to say hi. Only gonna be back around 6. All right, man. I appreciate you, bro. I'm just chilling over here. Don't you worry about it. I'm just chilling over here. Hope you have a great day, man. Hope you have a fantastic day. And I'll see you later, I guess. At least having fun, buddy. I'm trying to. Trying to. Since I'm doing certification project, just trying to to stay focused, you know. Want to get this done. Want to move forward to JavaScript. I don't think my 2:30 is showing up, so might have me for another 20 minutes. All right, I appreciate that, man. It's always nice to have some company. This is my usual day-to-day. I know I'm not showing the code or anything. Today you'll just have to be satisfied with my beautiful mug. And by mug, I don't mean the actual mug, I mean my face. But yeah, at least you have a little peek of what my day-to-day looks like. How locked in I usually am. Take this HTML. That's why I always say you just need some background feedback. Call my ass on Discord if you just want company, man. I feel like I would get too distracted that way, you know? That's the only reason why. I got nothing against it. I just feel like even with Yondo, man, like for example Yondo, I think he's currently playing some Monster Hunter and all that. And yeah, I'm not in call with him because I'm afraid I might get too distracted. And this way I can just look at chat. You guys can chill with me, listen to some good vibes, some good music. I need 3 checks more. What am I missing? Is it CSS? It might be CSS. Give me a second. Yeah, okay. Fair. Yeah, that's mainly it. As I said, I don't really have anything against it. It's just I'm afraid I get to too distracted, or I'm afraid of getting too distracted. But the offers there if you want to shoot the shit for the sake of it and just need company. I appreciate that. By the way, I love that love that expression. Shoot the shit for the sake of it. Shoot the shit for the sake of it. That's too good. What do you mean? What do you mean, PG? Oh, got it, got it. I might need to. By the way, if you guys want to know what the project is about, I can showcase it to you real quick. By the way, is chat on the screen working? It's not, right? Why not though? It's probably, nah, okay. It's probably getting the chat from the other channel. It's totally normal. I'll just leave it be. It's all good. Yeah, but if you guys want to check what the project is, I got you. Basically, it's just build you guys can't see everything because of my my beautiful mug, as I usually say. But yeah, it's just building a normal, like, what it's called, landing page. So this is just placeholders that I currently have. We got the menu right here, and yeah, that's basically it. Just build a landing page, nothing too fancy. It is one of the last certification projects, so we'll see. We'll see. Going good though. Going good. That would be cool. You mean showcasing what I'm currently building? There you go. Do need to make it. I mean, so basically, don't miss making templates, not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying myself, you know, just relearning everything. Like at the end of the day, I could just send this project as it is, and like I can just literally do Control Enter, and I'm good to go. I've checked all the I've checked all the necessary parts they wanted me to do. But yeah, it's everything is with placeholders and all that. And since I want to showcase what I've done and what I've been doing, I do want to have some good actual styling and not just have placeholders, you know. So, but yeah, um, that's pretty much it, to be honest. The only thing that it's kind of tripping me. Let me see if I can make this different. POE, proof of experience. I got one of those. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, I got a shit ton of that in UX design in general, but the market is so fucking dog shit right now for UX design that it's not even like it's literally not even worth it. I feel like, so that's why I'm kind of just uh like relearning everything, you know, kind of in terms of coding. And besides just relearning everything, I'm just literally doing what I don't know from scratch. Because yeah, a lot of people don't actually realize that, but I'm just, you know, I'm just a normal person, a normal guy as anyone else that needs a job. And yeah, you know, and I'm trying to make a living and be someone in this world. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Okay, got some accurate information done. But now I need to align the CSS though, because of the placeholders that I had. But yeah, UI is unfortunately a graphic design and IT thing, so a lot of people gunning for it. Not only that, the thing is, you might not realize, but there's a lot of companies that don't really give a shit about the usability of their products. They just want something that looks good, acts good, you know, animations wise and stuff, and that's good enough for them. And that's kind of hard to do. So it's kind of hard to get into a market that is only focusing on that when your focus is it's completely different. Like my focus in general was to just actually have some you know, improvements in usability, right? There's a lot of people with certain disabilities where we as UX designers can tackle and make sure, you know, make sure that like anyone, like this, the products are accessible for anybody, you know, not just, you know. And that's honestly one of the reasons why I got into UX design after coding. It's because not only of that, but because I was good at it. I was good at realizing certain details that were not usable at all. And but yeah, unfortunately, companies don't really give a crap about that. That's my sense, by the way. That's my feeling of it. Not all of it is invested in advertising, sadly. Exactly. And I think there has to be a shift in terms of mindset for companies to actually start, you know, paying more attention to that in general, which there isn't. And I don't know. You know, I want to do, of course, I want to do content for a living eventually. But by the way, this is kind of how it looks. Don't have a lot of information though on it, but gotta fix one or two things here though, but this is currently what I have. This is currently what I have. I have to fix this, the menu here. I got it fixed to the top, which is something I wanted, but yeah. This is mainly it. Maybe put the video a little bit bigger as well. But yeah, nothing too major. Nothing too major, nothing too big. Wrong scene. So yeah, I don't know. Even though I want to do content for a living, which is my passion, of course, and that's why I want to do it for a living. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that, right? So it takes time, it takes work, you know. Okay, I got two more modules to go through, and then I have a last certification project to finalize the first course. It's gonna be massive. I'm gonna be so happy. I don't know what to say. Any like in general, I'm just you know just yeah. We'll see. I'm sure I'll get something. I'm sure I'll get something that suits me. I'm sure I'll get something that's, you know, aligned with me and my goals and all that. Yeah, the neighbors are having like construction. They're with the construction job, so. If you hear noises, it's just the neighbors and their construction job. Starting the new module, by the way. What am I missing? Oh, the link, right. Actually, I can just do it like this. For the style sheet. Style sheet. It's gonna be the href. Wait, what? Okay, href. And what else do I need here? The rel. Okay, we got the rel too. Should be, yeah, perfect. I'll see you later, Bird. See you later, Teddy. Thanks for joining, though. Check, check. Hello, Michelle. How you doing? How you doing? If you hear some noises, I apologize. The neighbors are having some construction jobs, and yeah, there's quite a few amount of noises sometimes. How are you today, Michelle? Create a selector, you will. Okay, let's do that then. Like I said before. Texas. Hello, doing good. Just starting my day. Well, I'm glad you decided to start your day with opening the stream. And I hope you have a wonderful day ahead of you, Michelle. And thank you for joining also. I appreciate it. Let's do position absolute height 55W. Why though? With sun. I need caffeine. Well, you and me both actually. I just finished my coffee, so you know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go. Let's both get some coffee. I'm gonna put the be right back, and I'll be right back. back. Sorry. I'm back. Got my coffee. Okay, what am I doing here? Max height and max weed. Okay. Pretty simple. New selector for the line class. Background color, kind of. Also pretty simple. Easy game, easy life. You got your coffee, Michelle? Property is used to set the point around which a CSS transformation is applied, for example when performing a rotate, which you will do later in this project. Oh, okay, that's what's gonna make it turn. Interesting. Midline transform origin property of 0% to 0%. This will offset the origin point by 0% from the left and 0% from the top. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. That should give cool animations in general for like websites and stuff. Create a selector to target your second line elements. They want me to do a second selector for line? Why? I'm confused. I'm gonna go with it. Oh, interesting. Okay. And that the transform property allows you to manipulate, yes, the shape of an element, in this case using the position, yes. 60 degrees clockwise. Interesting. Oh, they want me to do the second of type. Okay. Oh yeah, to target your second line. Okay. Okay. Made a mistake, but it's all good. Using the same pattern, create a separate selector for the third line. Okay, let's do that then. Instead of 2, it's going to be 3. Create a new selector. Third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth line. Okay. By the way, can you guys hear the... You can hear a little bit. Like the construction jobs. Should be good now, right? I'm gonna put the music a little bit lower and it should be right. That way you don't hear the construction. Alrighty. Let's see. So transform, rotate the first one 120 degrees clockwise. So let's do the transform then. Rotate 120 degrees. Now just copy this, do for the fourth, fifth, sixth line, fourth. It's gonna be how many degrees? 180. And now I'll just do for the fifth line. With 240 degrees. And then we do the same for the sixth line. And we will do how many? 300. 300 degrees. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now we do the cabin. Glass. Background color of red. 20% width and height is the exact same. So 20% is enough. Let's do position to absolute, and let's do border 2 pixels solid. It's a bit annoying that I have to do this with the all the freaking noise though from the constructions. A bit of annoying, Okay, let's keep going though. So transform origin, yes. 50%, 0%. This will set the origin point to be offset 50% from the left and 0% from the top, placing it in the middle of the top edge of the element. Okay. Understood. Time to position the cabins around the wheel. Select the first of type. I'm assuming it's the first type. Select the first cabin element, yes. Let's do the selector, right property, and to less 8.5%. On the top, let's do 50%. Doesn't check? Why doesn't... Oh yeah, fuck. I did the line class, I didn't do the cabin. There we go, perfect. I just do the same for all of the other ones, I'm assuming. How many of them? It's 6, I think, so... let's do second of type. We'll do 17% to the right. And the top should be... Okay, 93.5%. Just do the third of cabin element. You got your coffee, Michelle? Okay, and for this, what are the measurements? 67%, not 600. And It's the same one for top. Okay, perfect. Let's do the fourth type. So fourth cabin class element will be the same as the first one. Okay, 8.5%. And the other one will be 50%. Right? And then we do a fifth element. There we go. And we do 17% and 7%. Okay. This is for the fifth element, not the fourth. Gotta change that. And now the last one should be 17 and 7%. So it's the other way around for the right and the top property. And that should be it. Is it not? Why not? Oh no, I did. Oh shit, this is not right. Okay, this one is left, so for the fourth it's left property, and the fifth is also left property, right? Am I missing one? Six cabin should have 17. Oh, it's not the other way around. I was actually right on the first one. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, made a little mistake, but all good. Keyframes. At keyframes. At rule is used to define the flow of CSS animation. We can create selectors for specific points in the animation sequence. Or use from and to define the start and end of the sequence. Okay. Okay. Okay, create a keyframes role named wheel. Oh, okay, I thought I made a mistake there, but no, it's correct. Get a document for this though. Trying to keep everything in order, make sure let's go next challenge though. Oh. Okay. To do this, create a 0% rule. 0%, 0%. 0%. Easy enough. To transform property to rotate 90 degrees. No, 0 degrees, okay. Okay, let me get this and put this in my documents. Okay. Got a new document for that rule. I will need to put my free code camp certification project here though. So let me see, where do I have that? Where do I have that? Right here. Let's put it in documents, and where's the folder? Certification coding projects right here. Now let's get this. Let's put the code over here. Create a new document. Let's give it the same name, but it's the project number 4. And let's copy the code I did. Let's copy the code I did. This is gonna be HTML code. And then let's add another code snippet. And this one is gonna be CSS. And just have everything in order. So should be it right here. Perfect. Okay, I can close this. I can also close this. And we have the project saved. Okay, perfect, beautiful. And where's the other document I just did? Right here. Okay. Okay, let's keep going then. Rule as 100% selector. Okay, let's do that then. 100%, and this is gonna be transform, rotate 90 degrees. No, 360. Okay. There we go. That's easy enough. Okay. Okay, caffeine obtained, dogs taken care of. Now I'm ready to begin the day. Let's go, Vissel. I was asking if you were already there and if you got your coffee. I got mine too. I changed a little bit of the sound settings as well. I've been talking to myself as well because yeah, there's a lot of like construction noise coming from the neighbor, and I was worried that was getting through. I'm glad I won't be talking by myself. I will actually be talking to someone. I hope you have a great day. In the animation name, properties used to link a keyframe rule. CSS selector. So this property should match the name of the keyframes rule. So it's just wheel. Okay. So I just have to give my wheel selector animation name, so it knows which animation to set, and it's just wheel. I am here even if I don't chat much. I appreciate that, Misel. I do gotta pick up the phone, so give me just a second. I'll be right back. here, sorry. It's something that happens throughout the day. Just have to pick up the phone. You were saying I am here even if I don't chat much. I appreciate that, Michelle. I'm here just to do the exact same. I'm just doing my coding courses, doing what I always and usually do. And just keeping anybody company if you guys want to join. This is literally it. I'm just documenting, I guess, the journey, you know, of relearning everything. I'm here. Yo, Yasin, how you doing, man? How's the day going? Thank you for showing up, by the way, as well. I appreciate that. Thank you, guys. So, yeah. I'm just, as I said, I'm just chilling. Just chilling and do what I gotta do. Do what I gotta do. You know? Today was good. Good to hear that, buddy. Good to hear that, man. I'm glad the day was good. Okay. The animation duration property is used to set how long. Yes. Should the sequence specific in seconds or milliseconds? Set your real selector. Have a number. Okay. Seconds. As I was saying to Teddy was here earlier on. As I was saying to Teddy, man, this is mainly just me. You know, I'm here documenting, relearning coding. Just a normal guy, just nothing too major. Doing my day-to-day stuff, and yeah, I decided I'm gonna start using this channel more often to do these type of things, and just showcase what I'm doing, you know. Right now I'm using FreeCodeCamp to learn. I could be showing the screen, but I feel like today is just casually coding Tylo. Yeah, exactly, right? I need to be able to sustain myself. I'm just a normal standard person as anybody else, getting a job, trying to at least, you know. And I decided, you know what, this is content that usually is not out on the internet. People don't showcase this part of the progress of just, you know, building yourself back up, so to speak. People have the tendency to just showcase and record the destination, right? The trophy. They don't record the progress, what it actually takes someone to, you know, to get there. And I thought to myself, I feel like this sort of content should be more, you know, should be more out there, should be louder, should be, you know. So that's why I started this channel. It's just basically to showcase this. And right now I'm doing coding, but I'm trying to start the 90 days calisthenic challenge as well. So some IRL streams of working out might be on the near future as well. But yeah, this is just it, and I feel like this is not showcased a lot, you know. Much love, Yasin, much love. This is true. Yeah, I think so too. And I feel like this should be showcased more often, and people don't really show it. And to be honest, I do regret not doing some more like documentation of the progress and of what it took me in terms of my main channel on YouTube, the gaming channel, of what it took me throughout almost 2 years now. I think it's gonna be 2 years in January since I created the channel, by the way. So most of you from the community, we just realized yesterday, are here for 9 months, but I've been here for almost 2 years. It's gonna be 2 years in January since I've been doing YouTube. So I regret not doing more documentation on that. So I decided from now on, I'm gonna start doing that. And just showcase, like, because people are so impatient nowadays. People are just so impatient. People, they just want to get to the destination as fast as possible, as quick as possible, with shortcuts. There's no shortcuts. You gotta put your head down and do the work, you know? And I feel like that's something that's not showcased too often. So, yeah. I'm gonna be doing more of these, for sure. Gonna be doing more of this. And also, it helps me, you know, have a camera. I literally have a camera, like, pointing at me. So it creates some sort of accountability for me to be doing this. Right here, for me to you know, be doing what I have to do, you know. So yeah, it creates a feeling of accountability in general. So it is good. And as I said, a lot of people don't show this part of the journey, the progress, what it takes. But it should be more out there. It should be louder, you know? But yeah. Good chat. Good chat. Let's keep going. Okay. Okay, animation. Iteration count. How many times are we doing? So infinite, okay. Timing function property. How an animation should progress over time. There are a few different values for this property, but you want the Ferris wheel animation to run at the same rate from start to finish. Set animation timing function to linear. Okay. I did not know about that. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, that should work. No? What did I miss? Oh, I misspelled infinite. Everything's right, I just misspelled infinite. Create another add keyframe rule. Keyframes for the cabin. Okay, I'm assuming we'll rotate the cabins as well. Okay. Create the selector. And do the same two rules with the 0% and the 100%. That should be it. Wait. Oh, it should be less. Okay, less 360 degrees. Okay, we good. Keeping a routine is good for when that job does happen. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm trying to do, because at the end of the day, as you said, when that job does happen, like, gotta make sure I'm sharp, you know, I'm sharp, I'm keeping within the routine and all that, and that's mainly it. And like if I need something different in the meantime, I can just, you know, add something new to it. And in this case, it's just gonna be, I'm gonna be starting to add some workout. And I'm gonna do the workout session that I started with initially, which is the 90 days challenge of calisthenics. And that will help me out as well, you know. So I'm just trying to make sure I keep the routine, I keep the, you know, the flow going, I keep the pace going, because you never know, Okay, with your wheel selector, you can properly control the animation. Yes. You can use the animation property to set all of these at once. Okay. Thank goodness. Way easier. So that's the name, the seconds, linear, and infinite. Interesting. That should be it then. One last? Yeah. Animations seem like a natural swinging motion. You can use ease in and out. Yes, that is something that I know. So instead of linear, so ease in and out. To control more than just the transformation of an element. In the 0% selector of your keyframes cabin, set the backgrounds to yellow. Background color yellow. Between the 0% and the 100% selectors, add a 50% selector. Okay. 50% selector. Set background color for purple. Yes, purple. Okay. Because the animation is in a is on an infinite loop, and the start and end colors are not the same. The transition appears jerky when it switches back to yellow from red. To start fixing this, remove the background color from the 0%. Okay. Oh, that actually looks better. Interesting. Create a new 25% selector. Okay. Between 0% and 50%, that's obvious. Give this new selector background color of yellow. Okay. That will definitely improve for sure. Yellow. That's way smooth. Way more smooth. Finally create a 75% selector for background color as well. Should be yellow, I'm assuming. Yes. To create the smoothness. There we go. We finished another one. Huge. There we go. Not too hard, not too shabby. There we go. We finished another module of the course. Still have one more to go and then the last certification project. And it should be done. Oh my god, but this is a big one. This is 104 challenges. Damn. Yeah, I'll have to leave the other certification project for tomorrow then. Damn. Okay. Last stretch before the JavaScript algorithms and data structures certification. last stretch. Damn. Okay. Need to do the link for the style sheet as well. The href. Okay, perfect. I do need to eat something. I should probably go get something to eat. I should send Capcom a message to let them know I have tomorrow off from work, so they should bring back the beta. Lol. Yeah, you should, Misel. You should. Imagine. Imagine. What if they actually what if they actually gave you the beta? What if they actually replied to you? That would have been funny. If only I had that kind of pull. Yeah, I know. I know. Let me go get something to eat real quick. I'll be right back. I need to have some lunch. Okay, I'm back with my lunch. Yuppie! Back with lunch, back with lunch, back with lunch. Should probably take an actual break though to eat, but it is what it is. Can't be forgetting to eat. I really can't be forgetting to eat. Which is something that I haven't been paying too much attention to lately. At all. I've just been very, very unhealthy in that aspect. Very, very unhealthy. And I really shouldn't. I really, really shouldn't. I feel like that's even the reason why yesterday before the stream I had to lay down for a bit. I think it was exactly because I didn't do a proper lunch hour and all that, so I was just not feeling good. Which is not good at all. Not good at all. I just remember, we're gonna have the Monster Hunter stream today, right? Yeah, we're gonna have the Monster Hunter stream. Monster Hunter World. Let me post that in Discord real quick. I do recall I have a video getting published in the meantime as well. I think it's like in an hour, hour and a half, something like that. These type of streams kind of bring me back to the good old days when I started streaming. I have like 1-2 people here. I'm just speaking out loud to whoever or whomever is listening. It brings me back some nostalgia from when I started. And to think that we are like currently averaging like 15 people in each stream, 15 viewers. It's such a nice feeling. Not only it's a nice feeling, but like it's interesting in general to see how things work, you know? It really is. Well, at least I'm staying healthy. I got my lunch. Just finished it. So, do I still have coffee? A little coffee refill is gonna be good for me as well, and we're gonna keep going because we have to at least finish this module. I'm not sure about the last certification project. I might just do that tomorrow. But this last module I still have to finish today. It's 2:10 p.m. so I should be fine. And I didn't even took a big break. Since I'm streaming, I didn't even took like an actual lunch break. I just sat here, speaking out loud or talking out loud and eating. So I should be able to get this done in an hour and a half, maybe 2, which is going to be huge since we have the stream at 6:30, usual hour. So we'll see. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me just go put this in the kitchen. I'm assuming only Miss Sally's there, so I'll be right back. Okay, let's go. I'm back. Let's keep the workflow going. Come on. Ah. Come on. No time for laziness. No time. Oh, okay. I'm missing the comma. Okay. Yeah, I was missing the commas. Okay. It's easy. Normalize your page by setting the width 100% and height to also 100 each. Got it. Easy. Vertical scroll bars. Interesting. I actually don't know how to do that. Interesting. Oh, it's the overflow. Okay. I didn't know they could. Okay. Just hidden, right? Overflow hidden. That's the, yeah. Okay. Good. Let's add the div with the class set to grounds. Close div. Tag, okay. Going to ground selector with that's 100% and height to 400 pixels. 100, not 100%. Viewport VW. Yes, okay, good. What do we got here? Another background gradient. Let's copy this one. We don't need to write it all again. So let's copy this one. It's gonna be 90 degrees instead of 45 degrees. And the colors are also different. So it starts with this color. Starts with this color and then it changes to the other color. So do the comma and here we go. Beautiful. Okay. Set Z index. Position is gonna be absolute. Okay. And about the ground element, add a div with the class penguin. Okay. So we just add another div tag with a class named penguin. Close the div tag. Oh shit, I didn't close the tag properly. There we go. Target the penguin class penguin selector. Set the width to 300 pixels and the height as well to 300 pixels. I misspelled and my dyslexia today is kicking in. Margin. Property to horizontal center. Let's set the margin top. Okay, step 13. Wow. Pushing through it. Create some scenario in the background. We'll add 2 mountains. Above the penguin element, add a div with the class of left mountain. Left mountain. Is that how you spell it? Yes. Bro, my dyslexia today is kicking in. Holy frick. Okay, that is it. So far so good. We are cooking. We are cooking. Cooking. Just gotta wait for the alert to take a break, but I already did, so I don't need it. There we go. Now we just do a selector for the left mountain class and set the width property to 300 and the height property to 300 as well. Okay, and background linear gradient, I guess we can just once again copy this one so we don't have to type it all over again. With no degrees set to it. Okay, so that's just gonna be the colors that we have to switch. So this is gonna be the first color, it's gonna be the second color, and that should be it. Yes, it is. Okay, 15, step 15. To prevent the mountain from pushing the ground element, adjust its position to prevent it. Okay. Position to relative, if I'm not mistaken, right? Oh no, we gotta do this absolute too. Yes, we do. Okay, I was mistaken. To make the mountain look more like a mountain, you can use this skew transform function, which takes 2 arguments for being an angle to shear, the x-axis by, and the second being an angle to shear the y-axis by. Okay. Okay, transform. Transform property to scoot the mountain by 0 degrees. In the x-axis. Scoot 0 degrees and 44 degrees on the y-axis. There we go. Set the stack level of the mountain elements such that it remains directly behind the ground element. I don't know how to do that, do I? Let me go search it up. Search for it. Is it with the z-index? It might be that. Where's the ground? What was the z-index we had on the ground? We had 3. So I'm assuming if we do z-index 2, it should work. Yes! Okay, that feels good. Okay, to overlap the mountain, ground says give the mountain margin top. Okay. Of 100 pixels. And where's the ground? Ground. Let's give margin. Was it top 2? Yes. Of 200. No. Less 58 pixels, right? Less 58 pixels. That should be it. Yes, it is. These are easy. The other ones are the ones that sometimes... Okay, to give the effect of the mountain range... back mountain. Okay, so I just copy this div, but change the class from left mountain to back mountain. There we go, right? Yes. Now we just create a selector for the back mountain class. And do width 300 and height of 300 as well, just like we did for the other mountain. And then the gradient as well. It should have different colors since it's the back mountain. No, okay, they want us to use the same colors. No, they do not. No, they do not. The second color is different. Okay, I was thinking to myself, it can't be. So that should be it, yes. Okay, position is gonna be absolute. Position absolute. Should do it. Yes, it does. Change the stack level of the back mountain element such that it's behind. Okay, so if it was z-index 3, z-index 2, so this should be z index 1. Yes, it is. There you go, Tyler, you're learning. Rotate the back mountain element by 45 degrees clockwise. Okay, so let's do a transform, rotate 45 degrees, and then give it a left property of 110 pixels with a top property of 225 pixels. There we go, that's easy. To finish the background, add a sun by creating a new div immediately after the back mountain. Okay, you just call it sun, that's the class, right? I'm assuming. So let's copy the div that we already have, one of them, and just change the class to sun. There we go. Now we create a selector for the new class called sun with the width. Set the width property to 200 pixels and the height property to 200 pixels as well. Do a background color of yellow, and wait, did I misspell width? I did. That should be it. Yes, okay. Set the position to prevent it from taking up space in a page layout. Set the border radius such that the sun shape is a circle. Okay, so let's do that. Position absolute to, and then we do border radius of how much we do. Oh, I'm having a blank. I'm having a blank. What, 50%? Position absolute, border radius to be a circle, to 50%. Yes, okay, okay. Position to center top right corner. 75 pixels. Are off the screen. Okay. And does this work? I don't know if it does. Why 75? No, it's just because that's the exercise. Okay. Then let's do its top and right edges. Okay. Let's just do less 75 pixels, right? And for the right as well, less 75 pixels. Okay, yeah, we did it. Okay, so it cuts out a little bit of the sun. I see why they wanted 75, okay. I don't know why I keep questioning it. Add to new div elements. Okay. Div. What is the class of it? It's gonna be penguin head and penguin body. So it's a class penguin head. Then we're gonna do this, copy this one so we don't have to type everything again and just change head to body. That's it. Stack level. Okay, so this should be z index. What was the We had 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be 4, and then we're gonna do position relative on this one. Yes. Okay. Good. Penguin head selector for the class. Add a width. Tyler's cooking. Yes, I am. Misspelled height though. To 45% too. And just add a background. Wait, do I need to type this? It's gonna be a gradient. I'm assuming yes, it's going to be gradient. So let's just copy this one, so you don't have to type it all again. And then just change the degree for 45, and starting at gray color, and then the second color, it's this RGB code. So let's change it. Paste. Did I miss something? Oh, the width is not the 45%, it's half of its parents, so it should be 50% then, right? Yes, it's 50%, but I have another error. Where do I have another? Oh, I'm missing a comma after the 45 degree. That should work? Yes, it does work. Okay. Border radius, then I need to do a border radius. %, with 65%. Oh, I only put 2. I need to do 4. I think it worked anyways, but they want me to do it this way for some reason, so I'm just gonna do it this way then. Oh man. Oh, my back is killing me though. Oh, my back is definitely killing me right now. Time to stretch? I think so too. I mean, I'm on the step 32. I can show you. I'm on step 32. I pressure myself too much, you know, sometimes, but like I'm on the step 32 of 104 or something. So, I mean, in a normal situation, I would just go all the way to the end before I do another break. But this one's being heavy. This one has a lot of yeah, like step 32, but we already on 70 lines of code on the CSS. Not that much on HTML though. Oh. But yeah, in a normal situation, I would just push through and not do a break. Just go all the way to the end, so I can still do the final, because I only have one more last certification project. If I do that one, that's like, that is the web responsive web design development course like fully done. That's really, really good. And in a record pace as well for myself, so like that was maybe a week and a half, like a full course in a week and a half. That's gotta be record pace right there. But I think you're right though, Misel. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think it's time to stretch a little bit. How's your work going though? How's your work going though? I wonder if we can get more people in here. I'm gonna tell everybody in Discord I'm still... Oh, actually no, I already posted the other one, so I'm assuming they know. Going good? Good to hear that. Good to hear that. That's all we want. Because the thing is, since I didn't do a proper lunch break, my head didn't have the time to, you know, just actually take a break. I'm thinking on the next exercise already. Music though. Good music, good vibes. Need to mentally stretch too. Yeah. Sometimes I don't do that. I just fill myself with caffeine and just keep pushing through and pushing through and pushing through, you know? Like, I've been doing the stream for what, 2 hours and 15 minutes. 2 hours and 15 minutes that I've been working with a few breaks here and there. But I've been coding for 2 hours before that, so I'm already on almost 4.5 hours of coding without an actual break. I need to at least finish this one today. I need to at least finish this one today. I need to at least finish this one today. I'm not even gonna say the other certification project, like to finish today. I can do that tomorrow morning, and then I'll be able to start with JavaScript. What do I have aligned for JavaScript? Let me have a look at this. Wow, that is a lot. Oh my god. Wow. I guess I'll just stream this since it's JavaScript. I don't have that much. I really don't remember that much about JavaScript. I guess I could just do full like streams and videos on it. Would be fun, and it would probably give me some fucking accountability, because this is a lot. A lot. A lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 modules before the first certification project. 7 freaking modules. Then there's 4 for the second certification project, 4 for the third certification project, 3 for the fourth certification project, and 2 for the fifth certification project. Which is really funny. It's gonna be build a Pokemon search app project. That is interesting. That is really fun. I'm actually excited for the JavaScript. I'm really excited for the JavaScript actually. It seems like a very interesting course they have going on here. Oh my god, I got a lot to do. Doing some research. Wow, okay. Then after that, I'll still have to go through all of the libraries. Bootstrap, jQuery, Sass, React, Redux, and then React and Redux. Then I have the 5 final projects. Damn. I was thinking I could do this in like literally a month, but I'm not even sure if I can. Holy frick. Do I actually have to finish this today? I have to finish the certified project as well, so I can start with a clean slate tomorrow for JavaScript. We'll see. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna stretch a little bit, and I'll be right back. Oh. I'm gonna think about this though. I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry. Was a good enough break this time. How you guys doing? Yo, Teddy's back. How you doing, Teddy? How you doing? I know what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna finish this module if I can. If my head and my brain allows me to. I'm gonna finish this module and then I'm just gonna take like a break. I'm just gonna go for a walk or something and then come back and just start the stream early. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So we are in the step 32, which means we still have like 70 to go. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to finish the module, but I'll be almost at the end. So apparently the Wild's PC performance was the talk of the town. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm good, brother. Smoking a J and unwinding hard now. Well, happy for you then. I'm happy for you then. Alrighty then. I feel like my brain is... It had enough today. It really had enough. Okay, let's create a selector for the penguin body class with the width of 53% and a height of 45% apparently. Okay, background. We're gonna do a linear gradient again, so let's just copy the other ones so we don't have to rewrite every single thing again. With a 45 degree, the first color is gonna be this RGB code from 0% apparently, and the other one is gonna be the other RGB color from 25%, and then it's going to be white color for the from the 70% up. That should be it. Yes, it is. Still got it. While Wild's PC performance was a point of contempt. But I mean, PCs aren't all graphics cards anymore. You need a good CPU these days because of DLSS. What do you mean Wild's PC performance was a point of contempt? What do you mean by that? Are they not gonna do something about it? Or was the beta the example for the release of the game? Another interesting fact about penguins is that they... Yeah, that is true. Penguins do not have squared bodies. Okay, border radius. Let's do 80% with 80% for the corners, 100%, and 100% again for the bottom corners. Yeah, I'm not mistaken. This is it. It was controversial. People were having issues. I've noticed that. Yeah, I did notice that a lot of people were having issues. But like, what is the like? Did Capcom say anything about it? Did actual Capcom say anything about it? Penguin class selector position is going to be absolute. Wait, did I fuck up something? Oh, target all descendants. Okay, yeah, I did fuck up something. Give me a second. That should fix it. Yes, it did. Okay, so let's just do top property of 10% with left property of 25%. If I'm not mistaken, that's what they want. Yes, it is. I do still get it. We gotta do the same thing for the body. So top percent is, sorry, the top property is gonna be 40%. And left property is going to be 23.5% apparently. Change the stack level of the penguin hand element such that it appears in front of the penguin body element. Okay, so that's gonna be Z index of 5. Oh, Z index of 1, yes, because they are already 4 because of the penguin class. Since it's the parent's descendant, it should be just index 1. Got it. To give the penguin body crest good pseudo element that is the first child of the penguin body element. Set the content property of the pseudo element to empty string. Okay. Nah, just forums talking about it, but it's beta, so it's assumed performance will be better on release. Yeah, if it's not something Capcom said, I don't like. It's just videos for views, basically. It's what I was saying yesterday. Or was it yesterday? Yeah. I don't know. I'm still waiting it out. Again, I think it's just gonna be set the content property of the to an empty string. Is that it? Yes, it is. Let's go. Okay. I'm just I rather wait it out and then give actual information that, you know, is accurate. I don't know. Position is not relative to its closest positioned ancestor. Sure how to do this one. I am definitely going to need to upgrade by February, sadly. Do you really think so? Like, is it? I don't know. I didn't see it, right? So. I'm assuming that's just to position absolute then, right? Absolute. Yes, that's it. Oh, it was bad, bud? I have not seen that sort of graphics in a long time. Damn. Okay. I had that issue with Dragon's Dogma 2. That's why I was worried, right? But this was a beta, so I'm still waiting it out because, but yeah, I didn't have any big major issues. Like, you had issues. There were issues with Dragon's Dogma 2. There were actual issues with it. You know what I mean? It's not a matter of what are the settings and what are the like recommended upgrades or not that you should do to the computer. No, there were actual issues with it. And with Wilds, I don't think there were actual issues with it. I'm just thinking to myself, like, what is happening, and the controversy comes from, like, let's say people that have a machine like yours but didn't check the settings and what you needed on your machine, so they got mad because they couldn't play the beta, and therefore their first thought process was they are fucking with us because this is not playable and it should be a playable beta, and somewhat along those lines. And again, I think with that said, people are just kind of farming views through hate and negativity more than anything else. You know what I mean? Because, like, you can have you might be a person with a good amount of emotional quotient, right? EQ. But there's a lot of people that don't see things the way you do, right? And probably didn't even check what you need, like, in your computer in terms of graphics card, CPU, all of that, to make the game playable. So their first thought is, let's blame the people who made the game. Because, yeah, that's how everyone perceives it, you know? And people know that's how everyone perceives it, or are going to perceive the issue and the matter, and they just utilize that to get views. Again, I might be completely out of pocket here, I might be completely wrong, but if I would ever do a video on that before the game comes out, it would be literally what I just said. Like, the first thing I would ask in the beginning of the video would be, did you check what you needed to have in terms of computer to make the game playable? That's how I would start the video. My PC specs were definitely above recommended, but yeah, it was bad. But that's what I mean. You checked, right? You checked the PC specs. Now, think about this. What if 30% of the community didn't check the PC specs and just assumed they could play the game because they are able to play World on their computer? So if they are able to play World, they should be able to play Wilds, and they will not understand why they are not able to play Wilds if they can play World. You know what I mean? I feel like it's kind of like that. But again, I might be completely wrong, and I might be completely out of pocket. 10% from the top. 10%. And 25% from the left. So left property will be 25%. Oh, I get you. People really illiterate when it comes to PC. That's what I mean. Like, if you guys didn't, for example, if you guys didn't told me and warn me about the PC specs, the recommended PC specs, I would have not even noticed there were some recommended PC specs just for the beta of the game. You know what I mean? Like, I would not know. I didn't check. I didn't see the warnings anywhere. I only saw the videos. I didn't check their website, and the only place they have that is on their website. So maybe 50% of the community, of the PC community, PC gamers that play Monster Hunter, did not check the specs, assumed they could play Wilds just like they can play World, right? Because World is the heaviest, I would say, in terms of like PC specs that you need to have. And they just assumed they could play, and since they can't play or weren't able to play the beta, they just got mad about it. And when people get mad about something, they kind of just go all out on pointing fingers at other people, you know, and never actually look to themselves and think, wait, did I miss something? Did I do something wrong? Did I misinterpret something? Did I misunderstood something? You know what I mean? And that's honestly, that's an issue that you have in every single part of the world, I feel like. And that's how misinformation gets spread as well, you know? So, yeah, I feel like, I don't know. until like Capcom says something official about it, or until the game comes out and we will see or be able to see what is what, I don't think there's anything to discuss. Yes, it was bad for some people. They were not able to play the game. I understand all of that, but like, the game is not even out and they already gave you some PC specs for the beta. You know what I mean? So I think they are doing their part in some way. But I can't tell you why it's a thing. The frame generation and only having FSR3 as an option is making it more intensive than advertised. But we got a new gen of hardware, and if you don't have that, you suffer. It is what it is. I mean, that's what I mean. Like, I think it goes back to the same conversation of the IG. They decided to put that button mapping, and now they have a decision to make again, which is gamers, players of the Monster Hunter IG weapon community, play as it is, or they have a decision to make, which is change that into a more suitable button mapping for everybody that plays IG. You know what I mean? So I think it goes back around. Around the crest, your bottom's corners radius of 100%, leaving the top corners at 0%. Okay, further. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just waiting to see. I'm just waiting to see, honestly. Whenever Capcom says something about it, or oh, my video just got posted, or whenever you know, whenever, let me go post the link in the Discord. I wanted to do all the quests. Wow, I already have 2 likes on the video. What the fuck? Okay, post it in Discord. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. The NVIDIA 2000 series is fine for the game as long as your CPU is capable as well. Again, a lot of people don't know that. You know what I mean? Increases to the transparency. That's the issue. Is that a lot of people don't know that. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave this module at half. Oh, I'm gonna leave. Actually, let me just do this last. No, I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here. 1 like was me, apparently. Well, I appreciate that. We got 4 likes. So, holy shit. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this module here. I'm gonna go for a quick walk. Breathe some fresh air, and then I'm gonna come back and I either edit a few amount of videos for the main channel in the meantime, and then I'll have the stream, or I'll just start the stream earlier today, since I started the stream later yesterday. But yeah, Michelle, Teddy, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed the company. I sure did. Have a good walk, touch some grass. Yes, Michelle, I need to do that. I mean, I'm streaming for 3 hours, yes, with some breaks in between, probably 2.5 hours. But I mean, I even streamed slash programmed or coded or been coding throughout the even the fucking lunch break. So I didn't actually do a lunch break. So I'm gonna touch some grass, breathe some fresh air, go for a walk, and then I still have a lot of hours to go through the day. Either I start the stream early, or I'm still going to edit some videos while I'm at it. But yeah, I still did 6 hours of was it 6 hours? I think it was 6 hours of coding today. I did a certified project. I finished the other module. I'm almost finishing this second module. So yeah, in terms of coding, I definitely did enough today. I feel good about myself. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later on the main stream on the main channel. All right, see you guys soon. See you later, Michelle. Thank you. Some vitamin D and oxygen will do you good. I know, Teddy. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, guys. I'll see you later.